Prompt number 24. Experiment with a device. In this context, the term device refers to something that informs the reader of something without using exposition, action, or dialogue. Might be something written on the back of a photograph. It might be a newspaper clipping, a journal entry, a letter. In William Landay's book, Defending Jacob, the story unfolds through some action, present-day action, and court transcripts. The heightened emotion is accentuated by the use of cold, hard evidence, court transcript. It's very powerful, that juxtaposition of fact and emotion. What do you think? Can you do something like that? Try it. I'd love to read them, read what you're coming up with, or even better, record a video and upload it. Let me know what you're thinking about in terms of a device and how that will help you share information with a reader organically, without an info dump, and without breaking the flow of the forward momentum of your story. If you came to this video in any way other than the book, Beat the Bots, a writer's guide to surviving and thriving in the age of AI, I hope you'll take a look at the book. It is filled with science-based creativity tactics to help you harness your innate creativity. There's exercises, worksheets, lots of examples. I think you'll find it exciting, helpful, because you know what? Being our creative best, coming up with fresh, human-based ideas is how we'll beat the bots.